Welcome back to the CSCS Green Card course, Module 12, Manual Handling. Question 1. Why should you keep the load close to your body when lifting? A. It helps keep the load balanced while moving. B. It reduces the weight of the load. C. It reduces strain on your back and improves balance. D. It allows you to lift faster. The correct answer is C. It reduces strain on your back and improves balance. Question 2. What is the most common injury caused by poor manual handling? A. Cuts to the hands. B. Back strain or other musculoskeletal injuries. C. Temporary hearing discomfort. D. Minor eye irritation. The correct answer is B. Back strain or other musculoskeletal injuries. Question 3. Before lifting a load, what should you do first? A. Lift it steadily to test the weight. B. Twist your body to test the weight. C. Assess the load and plan the lift. D. Lift it above waist height immediately. The correct answer is C. Assess the load and plan the lift. Question 4. What should you do if a load is too heavy to lift safely on your own? A. Lift it slowly with a firm grip. B. Drag it along the floor. C. Bend forward and try anyway. D. Use mechanical aids or ask for help. The correct answer is D. Use mechanical aids or ask for help. Question 5. Which lifting posture helps reduce the risk of back injury? A. Bend your knees and keep your back straight while lifting. B. Keep your legs straight and bend your back fully. C. Lift with one hand while twisting your body. D. Lean forward slightly before lifting. The correct answer is A. Bend your knees and keep your back straight while lifting. Question 6. What is meant by manual handling on a construction site? A. Any activity that involves moving a load by hand or bodily force. B. Lifting and carrying materials by hand on site. C. Operating machinery to move materials around the site. D. Transporting materials only with mechanical lifting equipment. The correct answer is A. Any activity that involves moving a load by hand or bodily force. Question 7. Which of the following is a hazard when carrying loads on site? A. Wearing suitable protective equipment. B. Obstructed walkways and uneven ground. C. A route with limited space to pass safely. D. Keeping the load close to your body. The correct answer is B. Obstructed walkways and uneven ground. Question 8. When should a team lift be used? A. When the load is small but needs careful handling. B. Only when working indoors. C. When the load is light but awkward. D. When a load is too heavy or awkward for one person. The correct answer is D. When a load is too heavy or awkward for one person. Question 9. What should you check about the route before carrying a load? A. That the route is clear of obstacles and hazards. B. That the route is wide enough to move the load safely. C. That there are many steps to climb. D. That lighting is turned off. The correct answer is A. That the route is clear of obstacles and hazards. Question 10. What should you avoid doing while lifting or carrying a load? A. Bending your knees. B. Keeping the load close to your body. C. Planning the lift. D. Twisting your back while lifting. The correct answer is D. Twisting your back while lifting. Question 11. If a load blocks your view while carrying it, what should you do? A. Walk slowly and proceed carefully. B. Get help or use another method to move the load safely. C. Carry it above your head. D. Ignore the problem and continue walking. The correct answer is B. Get help or use another method to move the load safely. Question 12. Which factor should be considered when assessing a manual handling task? A. The color of the load. B. The type of surface where the load will be placed. C. The weight, shape, and stability of the load. D. The number of workers on site. The correct answer is C. The weight, shape, and stability of the load. Question 13. What is the safest way to turn while carrying a load? A. Move your feet and turn your whole body. B. Turn your shoulders first while holding the load. C. Lean backwards while turning. D. Rotate only your shoulders. The correct answer is A. Move your feet and turn your whole body. Question 14. Why is it important to wear appropriate PPE during manual handling tasks? A. It increases the weight you can lift. B. It helps protect you from injuries such as cuts or crushed toes. C. It removes the need for safe lifting techniques. D. It improves grip when carrying loads. The correct answer is B. It helps protect you from injuries such as cuts or crushed toes. Question 15. What should you do if you feel pain while lifting a load? A. Put the load down after finishing the movement. B. Lift the load faster. C. Ignore the pain. D. Stop immediately and report the problem. The correct answer is D. Stop immediately and report the problem. Question 16. What does good manual handling training help workers do? A. Lift heavier loads safely. B. Avoid using equipment. C. Reduce the risk of injury when moving loads. D. Eliminate all hazards on site. The correct answer is C. Reduce the risk of injury when moving loads. Question 17. What should you do before lifting a load from the ground? A. Position your feet firmly and prepare your stance. B. Bend your back fully. C. Keep your legs straight. D. Move the load slightly to test its weight. The correct answer is A. Position your feet firmly and prepare your stance. Question 18. Which of the following loads is most likely to require extra care when lifting? A. A small balance box. B. A lightweight empty container. C. A soft bag of clothing. D. A heavy or unevenly balanced load. The correct answer is D. A heavy or unevenly balanced load. Question 19. Why is it important to communicate during a team lift? A. To decide who finishes work early. B. To ensure everyone lifts and moves the load at the same time safely. C. To coordinate when to start lifting the load. D. To reduce the number of workers involved. The correct answer is B. To ensure everyone lifts and moves the load at the same time safely. Question 20. Which part of the body should do most of the work when lifting? A. Your back muscles. B. Your arms only. C. Your legs. D. Your shoulders. The correct answer is C. Your legs. Question 21. What is one advantage of using mechanical lifting equipment? A. It reduces the need for manual lifting and lowers injury risk. B. It allows loads to be moved more quickly on site. C. It removes all safety procedures. D. It eliminates the need for training. The correct answer is A. It reduces the need for manual lifting and lowers injury risk. Question 22. What should you do if the load shifts while you're carrying it? A. Pause and adjust your grip while holding it. B. Throw the load down quickly. C. Start running to finish faster. D. Stop, lower the load safely, and adjust it. The correct answer is D. Stop, lower the load safely, and adjust it. Question 23. Why should manual handling tasks be planned before starting? A. To increase the weight lifted. B. To identify hazards and choose the safest method. C. To make the task more complicated. D. To avoid using equipment. The correct answer is B. To identify hazards and choose the safest method. Question 24. Which environmental factor can increase the risk during manual handling? A. Clear walkways. B. Good lighting. C. Wet or slippery floors. D. Uneven ground surfaces. The correct answer is C. Wet or slippery floors. Question 25. What should you do after completing a manual handling task? A. Immediately lift another load without checking. B. Leave the load in the walkway. C. Report any discomfort you experienced. D. Report any hazards or issues noticed during the task. The correct answer is D. Report any hazards or issues noticed during the task. Module 12 complete. If you're ready to get qualified, enroll in our Level 1 Health and Safety in a Construction Environment course using the link in the description. It's fully online, self-paced, and the exam is included.